My name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and today's video is from our Wing Chun section. It's two-hand Chi Sao, applying a Pak Sao punch and a counter. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Two-hand Chi Sao. All right, so it doesn't matter what's on the way up or on the way down. It's easier on the way down. So as you're rolling from the way down, I want you to Pak Sao, come across, and palm strike. So I'll go on this side, see both sides. This way they get it. Okay, let's get a little closer for that. All right, so you're rolling. So as this is coming down, the Fook Sao attacks his Fook Sao. All right, Fook Sao attacks Fook Sao. All right, and then what I want you is really simple. Just step in and take the shot. So ideally, he wouldn't drop this, so you'd pin him here. So back on the other side, from here, I'm going to come in and I'm going to strike. One, step off, two. All right? You're good from here. Fook Sao attacks Fook Sao. One. Step off the technique, right? He's coming in and checking here, right? So there's two ways to move. You can move inside or you can move outside. Moving inside from here is as he's pinning this, just move outside, Quan Sao, and fire back. You guys okay with that? Because what's he doing? He's pushing my arm. So I don't want to stand here, right? So I'm just going to do a back step and then come in 1 and 2. All right, so on this side, just wait to get on camera, right? So he comes in, he's doing the push. I'm releasing here. Okay, do the same thing again. So as he's coming in, I'm using the energy for him to push me. 1 and 2. Okay. You guys okay with that? Another option with that is, on this side, right? Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. When he comes in and does it, just back step, Jut Sao, Chun Sao. Right? The whole key is don't fight force with force. So he's coming in to press me. I'm moving off the line. So it's like taking a T-step. I'm coming off the line, Jut Sao, Chun Sao, and you're backing. All right? So again, from here, as he's pushing, Jut Sao, you can even Tan Sao and work your way in. All right? You all good with that? You sure? So again, he comes in. I can Tan Sao. So I can Quan Sao, Jut Sao, or I can move the other side, right? He does on that side. When he's coming in, I can move to the other side.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.